Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hemanta the Social Engineer. The Central Board of Secondary Education issued notification regarding grading system, how grade are given to different subjects in class 10 and 12. That explained in this letter, in this notification by CBSE. So those who are any confusion regarding the grading system, you can clarify your doubts. Here I am explaining in details that issued by CBSE the notification number. Here is the notification number today, and here is the grading system. And when you glance through or look into the your mark sheets that issued by the CBSE after announcements of the results, there is grade A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2 like this. So how that is awarded, that let's discuss here. So this is the letter that explained by the CBSE on this letter, and the contents of the set circular reiterated, and you know very well that the CBSE not given any percentage of mark and not calculate the percentage mark. That also earlier I shared the video in details what CBSE is issued by this letter number earlier in my YouTube channels. So CBSE awards subject wise grades to the candidate in class 10 and 12 examinations along with the marks secured by them in each subjects, that you know very well. So how the award given, here is the important thing that explained by the CBSE. The relative grading which has been adopted by CBSE is based on the relative grading, which is more scientific. We remember is very scientific as compared to the grading that given to absolute grading. So more scientific relative grading and absolute grading. Here is the difference. The absolute grade will not given to the any students. Here is relative grading that given, and so instead of absolute grading, wherein grades are given based on the predetermined cutoff levels, but meaning thereby the grades are not determined on the mark is 91 to 100 or 81 to 90 or so, but on the basis of the group the candidates fall into the relative merit of the candidates. So it is more scientific, more valid, reliable, and the grades vary from subject to subject on the number of candidates passing the subject. So how that calculated, here is in detail that explained. A1, top students acquire in the subject, for example science subject, those acquire students that taken 1/8, which means total student divided by 8 taken into the A1 grade. Top students, top 1/8 of the past student in a subject, then A2 next after deducting, after subtracting from 1/8 of A1, then the left students, left passing out students, whose mark again divided by 8 and taken as A2 grade, and then B1 like this, then B2, then C1, then C2, then D1, D2. So next, here is the next level. So it is relative grading. You may say this is the relative grading, that more scientific than absolute grading. So while placing the candidate in rank order, the following points are taken into consideration. We remember this is very important. The minor variation in proportion of candidate to adjust ties are made wherever necessary. In case of a tie, all the students getting the same score are awarded the similar grade. So this is the difference, and the method of grading is used in subject where the number of candidates who have passed in more than 500, and in respect of subject where total number of candidates passing in a subject is less than 500, the grading would be adopted on the pattern of grading and distribution in other similar subjects. So here is the grading system. You can clearly understand. Here is the table that given the matrix grades here. Grade A1, grade A2, grade B1, grade B2. Subject number, here is a subject taken Hindi, and here is the student who passing out 1,59,052, and first in class X 1,59,000 into 1/8, here 19,881.5, that equal to 19,882, meaning hereby the top 19,882 candidates will get A1s. Likewise, here is the things also explained in history, in also economics, in also NCC, and also grade second. The next student also taken next 9,082 candidates will get A2. Next, so on the basis 1/8, next you may say next grading you may calculate 19,882 who will be added A2, and here is the 19,824 added 82 in this way. So this is the formula that relative grading taken by the CBSE. So again I am explaining here again for your clarification. Here is one subject that taken, for example economics. So in economics, total student who passing out is 3,83,647. You have to take into account for giving award this number into 1/8. This means 47,000. When you calculate it, it will be 47,000. It is the 47,955.87. And when we take into account total, you may say equally it is approximately 47,956, and meaning the bet of 47,956 will be given award grade A1, and next 47,956 will be given A2, and next 47,956 will be given. Between this way the grading will be given. So this is the formula how the grading grades get awarded to the students in different subjects. So don't be confused. Hope you all clear your doubts. Thank you.